Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to add new lines or to break lines in one message or in one conversation message in the Microsoft Teams chat. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft Teams desktop application, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So here in this example, we need to go first to our chat menu or to chat page. So here you will search for your toolbar. Either it was lists or it was grid. You will search for the chat icon or the chat page. After that, you will choose the conversation or the person that you want to send a message to. So basically, I'm just going to send it to myself here or to this account. And here I will go to the message section or the message input or placeholder. Now I'm going to add some message. So basically all you need to do is to write or type whatever you want. Hello. And to break line or line feed, all you need is to hold shift key on your keyboard and click enter. And as you can see, now we are creating break lines. So hello, how are you? How are things? And when I'm going to send it, it will be sent with the break lines, and it will respect everything that I'm doing. So basically, this is the method or the way to enter line or line feed in one conversation or one message line in your Microsoft Teams desktop application. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.